Welcome. If you want to make your Facebook page more accessible to a global audience, enabling translation on your cover photo is a great way to start. Today, I'll show you how to turn on the translation feature for your Facebook page cover photo using the latest update, all from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. At the top of the page, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access your personal profile and any pages you manage. Now select the page where you want to enable translation on the cover photo. Once you're on your page, look at the top section where your cover photo is displayed. Click directly on your cover photo to open the photo view. Underneath your cover photo, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a list of options related to your cover photo. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Turn on Translation. Click on it. This will activate the translation feature for your cover photo, allowing visitors to see a translation of any text you've included in your image or description, depending on their language settings. That's it! You've now enabled translation for your Facebook page cover photo. This simple update helps your page connect with people from around the world, making your content more inclusive and engaging for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who manage Facebook pages. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.